Solar energy innovation use is extending quickly. The solar photovoltaic (PV) area is the biggest and quickest developing environmentally friendly power business worldwide, with an expanding need for specialists that can uphold this development. In this program, you will acquire the information and abilities expected to seek after a vocation in the SE field and become fruitful sun-oriented energy proficient. This program will show you what is generally anticipated from sunlight-based specialists and will set you up for work in different limits, including frameworks, plan and designing, galaxies establishment, gadget manufacture and portrayal, QA and dependability testing. The program incorporates assorted learning exercises, including recordings, readings, activities, and certifiable applications. You will be directed through the substance in a rousing, involved, yet thorough way. It is planned so information is assembled progressively. We, accordingly, suggest that understudies follow the courses in the proposed request. Who this course is for: business people, installers, SE professionals, designers, individuals that need to begin a business in the sun-powered energy industry, electrical technicians, individuals that need to turn into an installer of private or business SE frameworks, individuals that need to get familiar with how environmentally friendly power functions SE. What will I learn? The physical science of and how to display all parts of a functioning sun-powered cell, execution, effectiveness, cutoff points and configuration rules. Plan ideas and manufacture cycles of different photovoltaic PV innovations and applications. Step-by-step instructions to assess parts of a PV framework: PV modules, inverters, DC-DC converters, batteries, charge regulators and links. Application methods for planning a PV framework, going from a private housetop framework to a utility-scale sun-oriented ranch. Plan ideas of microgrids that incorporate PV frameworks. The most effective method to evaluate the financial aspects and biology of PV frameworks and convey these in like manner.